What is meant by testing? What is the definition of testing? Testing is the process of executing a program with intent of finding errors. Good test is high probability of finding errors. There are software testing strategies characteristics. The software testing strategies characteristics are: to perform effective testing, you should conduct effective technical reviews. By doing this, many errors will be eliminated before testing commences. Second characteristics is testing begins at the component level and works outward toward the integration of the entire computer-based system. Third characteristics is different testing techniques are appropriate for different software engineering approaches and at different points in time. Fourth characteristic is testing is conducted by the developer of the software, and for large projects and independent test groups are involved for testing. And fifth characteristic is testing and debugging are different activities, but debugging must be accommodated in any testing strategy. What is verification and what is validation? Software testing is one element of a broader topic that is often referred as verification and validation, V and V. Verification refers to the set of tasks that ensure that software correctly implements a specific function. And verification is, in another way, verification is, are we building the product right? Validation refers to a different set of tasks that ensure that the software that has been built is traceable to customer requirements. In another word, verification is, are we building the right product? Boehm state verification and validation in different way. Verification means, are we building the product right? And validation means, are we building the right product? Verification and validation includes a wide array of SQL activities. These are technical reviews, quality and configuration audit, performance monitoring, simulation, feasibility study, documentation review, database review, algorithm analysis, development testing, usability testing, qualification testing, acceptance testing, and installation testing. What is the full form of SQA? SQA is Software Quality Assurance. Then organization for software testing. Testing should aim at breaking the software. The common misconceptions regarding the testing is the developer of software should do no testing at all. But for the small project, developer do the testing. The software should be given to a secret team of testers who will test it unmercifully. The third misconception is the testers get involved with the project only when the testing steps are about to begin. Reality is, independent test group removes the inherent problems associated with letting the builder test the software that has been built, removes the conflict of interest that may otherwise be present, and works closely with the software developer during analysis and design to ensure that thorough testing occurs. A strategy for testing conventional softwares are unit testing, integration testing, validation testing, and system testing. This is the spiral way for performing all testing. Unit testing is done when coding is over. When design is over, the integration testing will be done. For requirements, validation testing will be done, and overall system will be tested using the system testing. Levels of testing for conventional software are unit testing, integration testing, validation testing, and system testing. In unit testing, concentrate on each component or function of the software as implemented in the source code. Integration testing focus on the design and construction of the software architecture. Validation testing tests the requirements that are valid against the constructed software. The system testing, the software and other system elements are tested as a whole in system testing. The software process may be viewed as the spiral illustrated in the figure. Initially, system engineering defines the role of the software. In this system, system engineering defines the role of the software, and system engineering leads to software requirement analysis, where the information domain, function, behavior, performance, constraints, and validation criteria for software are established. Moving inward along the spiral, you come to design and finally to coding. To develop computer software, use spiral inward in counterclockwise direction along streamlines that decreases the level of abstraction on each turn. A strategy for software testing may also be viewed in the context of the spiral. Unit testing begins at the vertex of the spiral and concentrates on each unit of the software as implemented in source code. Testing progress by moving outward along the spiral to integration testing, where the focus is on the design and the construction of the software architecture. Taking another turn outward on the spiral, you encounter validation testing, where requirements established as a part of requirements modeling are validated against the software that has been constructed. Finally, you arrive at system testing, where the software and other system elements are tested as a whole. These are the software testing steps. Testing direction is goes from downward to upwards. In down in coding, the unit testing will be done. When design is completed, integration testing will be done, and when for higher order test, that is conducted on requirements gathered from the customer, and here validation of the requirements gathering is done using validation testing, and after beyond the figure, whole system will be tested using system testing. Software testing steps. Initially, tests focus on each component individually, ensuring that it functions properly as a unit. Hence the name unit testing. Unit testing makes heavy use of testing techniques that exercise specific paths in a component's control structure to ensure complete coverage and maximum error detection. Components must be assembled or integrated to form the complete software package. Integration testing addresses the issues associated with the dual problems of verification and program construction. Test case design techniques that focus on input and outputs are more prevalent during integration, although techniques that exercise specific program parts may be used to ensure coverage of major control paths. After the software has been integrated, a set of high-order tests is conducted. Validation criteria must be evaluated. Validation testing provides final assurance that software meets all informational, functional, behavior, and performance requirements. Software once validated must be combined with other system elements, for example, hardware, people, or database. System testing verifies that all elements mesh properly and that overall system or function or performance is achieved. There are the different strategic issues First one is specify product requirements in a quantifiable manner long before testing commences. Although the overriding objective of testing is to find errors, a good testing strategy also assess other quality characteristics such as portability, maintainability, and usability. These should be specified in a way that is measurable so that testing results are unambiguous. State testing objectives explicitly. The specific objectives of testing should be stated in a measurable terms. Third issue regarding to the testing is understand the user of the software and develop a profile for each user category. Use cases that describe the interaction scenario for each class of user can reduce overall testing efforts by focusing testing on actual use of the product. Next is develop a testing plan that emphasizes rapid cycle testing. Next one is build robust software that is designed to test itself. Software should be designed in a manner that uses anti-bugging technique. That is, software should be capable of diagnosing certain classes of errors. In addition, the design should be accommodate automated testing and regression testing. Use effective technical reviews as a filter prior to testing. Technical reviews can be effective as testing is uncovering errors. Conduct technical reviews to assess the test strategy and test cases themselves. Technical reviews can uncover inconsistencies, omissions, and outright errors in the testing approach. This saves time and also improves product quality. Develop a continuous improvement approach for the testing process. The test strategy should be measured. The metrics collected during testing should be used as a part of statistical process control approach for software testing. First level of the testing is unit testing. What is unit testing? Unit testing focuses verification effort on the smallest unit of software design. The unit test focus on the internal processing logic and data structures within the boundaries of a component. This type of testing can be conducted in parallel for multiple components. These are the unit test considerations. As shown in the figure, the module interface is tested to ensure that information properly flows into and out of the program unit under test. Local data structures are examined to ensure that data stored temporarily maintains its integrity during all steps in an algorithm's execution. All independent paths through the control structure are exercised to ensure that all statements in a module have been executed at least once. Boundary conditions are tested to ensure that the module operates properly at boundaries established to limit or restrict processing. And all error handling paths are tested in unit test. For testing all these, test cases have been written and it will substituted to the module for the testing process. Common computational errors in execution paths are misunderstood or incorrect arithmetic precedence, mixed mode operations, incorrect initialization of values, precision inaccuracy and round off errors, incorrect symbolic representation of an expression. Other errors to uncover in unit testing are comparison of different data types, incorrect logical operators or precedence, expectation of equality when precision error makes equality unlikely, incorrect comparison of variables, improper or non-existent loop termination, failure to exit when divergent iteration is encountered, improperly modified loop variables and boundary value violations. Problems to uncover in error handling are error description is unintelligible or ambiguous, means not clear. Error noted does not correspond to error encountered. Error condition causes operating system intervention prior to error handling. Exception condition processing is incorrect, and error description does not provide enough information to assist in the location of the cause of the error. These are the unit test procedures. Unit test procedure is followed in the way. Test cases are written for finding errors in interfaces, local data structures, boundary conditions, independent paths, and error handling paths. These are checking in unit testing, and these test cases are applied to the driver. Driver means main program, and the stub are the modules to be tested. Driver next send the modules to be tested to the stub. Stub tests the modules and return back result to the driver, and driver give the result of testing, that what errors are occur in the unit that will be displayed by the driver.